Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. My name is Hriday. I am your friend. So, friends, today I want to discuss about two things. First one, how to improve communication skill and how to remove inner hesitation. So, friends, I will share everything with you. Friends, I want also improve my communication skill and I want also remove my inner hesitation. So friends, I watched so many English teaching video and so many motivational video. So every teacher or suggest if you want to improve your communication skill and if you want to improve your speaking English, so you have to speak in English and as well as you have to talk with others person who want to improve her speaking English. That's why friends I decide and I start speaking in English and I am making video. Friends, I think my hesitation will go away by do this. So friends, how is my idea? Write in the comment box below. So bye bye. I'll meet you next video very soon.